2011 Honda Accord. Got a flashing check engine light, flashing mileage, battery light on, and what else? The main thing right now is the battery light on. The battery was just replaced. When I drive, it goes away and then come back. And the battery light will come back too. Turn your engine on, and you got all these lights on. See, we don't even have the brake on, and the brake light is on. The mileage is flashing, check engine is flashing, TPS. Traction control, ABS. We got the new alternator here. Now let me give you some tip how to take the alternator out. First, you're gonna have to take the radiator off. There's 2 bolts on the bottom. You just gotta get it loose so you can slide it up. And then these 2 on the top, you gotta take it out completely. So for that, you gotta go on the bottom to take the 2 lower ones. And then while you're there, you unplug the fan. Then you come up here, you remove all this harness. There's a connection down there for the AC compressor. And then the 2 for the alternator. Get that off. Then you gotta take the power steering, just pop it up, bring it to the side so you can get the tensioner. There's a tensioner right there. This one. And you go toward the car to get it loose. And then you take the plastic off here. That plastic. Then the alternator is gonna have 2 bolts. 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. There's gonna be a little bracket right on top of the alternator. Make sure you take that bracket off too. It's held by another bolt, a 12. And then you should be able just to slide it right up, no problem. Alright? 2011 Accord. Alright, let's put the new one on. There's the old alternator. There's our new one. We got everything back on. So now we're gonna start it up. More battery light?
No more battery light?
No, now we're good.
Why?
I said now we're good.
No good?
Yeah.